Short-form video isn't just the future, it's right now. But let's be real, scripting videos that actually grab attention, deliver value, and convert views into follows? That takes strategy. Today we'll show you how to use AI to generate scroll-stopping scripts, from first hook to final CTA, so you can spend less time writing and more time creating. Whether you're building a brand, promoting a product, or just trying to stand out, this is how the pros do it faster, smarter, and better. Let's dive in. What's up, social media creators, video editors, and content pros? Welcome to your micro-learning hit, your creative caffeine shot for the day. Today we're talking about AI-driven video scripting, specifically how to generate killer short-form video scripts that grab attention, hold it, and convert it into engagement in 60 seconds or less. If you're ready to cut the fluff, hook your viewers instantly, and let AI handle the heavy lifting, you're in the right place. Let's roll. Let's get real. Short-form video is ruling the internet. TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, these platforms are driving discovery and growth like nothing else. But here's the catch. Grabbing attention in the first 3 seconds? Not easy. Keeping it for 15, 30, or 60 seconds? Even harder. That's why script writing matters more than ever. The good news? AI is here to help. Tools like Jasper, Capwing Script Generator, Copy.ai, or even ChatGPT can turn your content ideas into punchy scripts in seconds. Say goodbye to blank page paralysis. Just drop in a topic like DIY home hacks, 5-minute workouts, or weird travel tips, and boom, instant inspiration. Let's break it down. Step 1. The hook. This is your make or break moment. It's what stops the scroll. It needs to be short, surprising, and ultra relevant. That's where AI shines. Try prompting it with something like, give me a 5-second video hook that grabs attention for a messy closet hack. You might get, tired of tripping over shoes? This closet trick is genius. Or for food content, stop burning garlic. This 1-minute fix will change your dinners forever. Pair your hook with a strong visual, like a before and after or a dramatic reveal, and you've got a viewer who's ready to watch. AI gets you there faster by offering dozens of hook options in one go. Next up, the meat of your video, the value, the tip, the transformation. AI is your partner in keeping this tight and punchy. Let's say you're doing a fitness micro-series. Prompt AI with, write a 30-second short-form script for a beginner home workout tip. You might get, Step 1, grab a chair. Step 2, sit to stand for 30 seconds. Step 3, feel that burn, easy, fast, and no gym required. Or maybe you're doing a recipe reel. The AI could return, slice your sweet potatoes, toss with olive oil and rosemary, air fry for 15, crispy, golden, done. What's key here is clarity and rhythm. These scripts aren't heavy on detail, they're built for speed. AI helps maintain the pace while keeping your message focused. No rambling, no filler, just straight value. Now for the closer, your call to action. This is where you invite the viewer to engage, like, comment, follow, share, but it needs to fit the platform. Here's how AI can help. Tell it your video length, tone, and platform. Something like, write a 3-second CTA for TikTok in a playful tone. You'll get something like, double tap if this blew your mind, or tag a friend who needs this. For Reels, swipe for the full recipe. YouTube Shorts, subscribe for more smart eats in under 30 seconds. The key is platform native language. AI is smart enough to tailor the vibe and tone so your CTA doesn't feel forced, it feels like an agent. So what's the play? Easy. Choose your niche. Let's say travel tips, beauty hacks, or budgeting advice. Open your AI tool of choice. Prompt it for a script, hook, middle, CTA. Tweak it to match your style, tone, or branding. Shoot it, post it, and watch how it performs. Pro tip, create multiple hooks for the same content and A/B test them. See which one earns better watch time or engagement. The faster you iterate, the faster you grow, and AI is the ultimate speed boost. All right, creators, that's your high-energy script fix for today. Short-form video is a game of speed and attention, and AI is your shortcut to mastering both. Whether you're building a personal brand, launching a product, or just experimenting with content, AI can help you script smarter, faster, and more effectively. So dive in, test fearlessly, and keep creating content that clicks. Remember, the next viral hit might just start with your next 15-second clip.